In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use transition or animation on your CapCut video. CapCut is a great tool that has all of the things that you need to edit your videos. So make sure you have downloaded the app of CapCut first, and then you can just open up the app and then import the video that you want to add in the transition in. Now to add in the transitions to a single video, you just want to split the video into different parts. Just select the video and you can tap on split. Now as you can see, after you split the video, you can see this option popping up, which is this black line. After you tap on it, you can see all of the transitions or animations that you can add. There are tons of effects and animations that you can add, so pick the one that you want. For now, I'm just going to use this blur, and you can also select the duration of the transition to happen. Now if you want the same transition on all of your cuts, you can just tap on apply to all on the bottom left here, and that same transition will be applied. But if you want different transitions, you can just follow the same step, and once you apply the transitions, you can see the blur effect or any transition that you added will be applied. So that's how easily you can add or use transitions on CapCut. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.